Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and we have some fun things to look at today. Are you ready? One of them is kind of weird because it's kind of like me. Not really, kind of, not really. That makes no sense. Are you ready? This is Steffi doll number 5 on a swing. I was taking the babies, our twins, on a swing one, not both at the same time, on a swing one day, and I thought, how fun would it be to have a Steffi doll on a swing? So boom, there it is. Look at that. So here we have her on a swing with a son. Today only happens once. Make it amazing. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy the day and choose to be happy. Are there dies that match? Of course, right? You know me. Now, also, a little bonus in this one is that sun. You're going to find yourself using this sun 1,000 different ways. Let me just tell you, that sun alone is worth the cost of the dies because it is gorgeous. You're going to love it, and it's a different size than we've normally done. So you're going to love that, and I have lots of fun samples to share with you on her. Also, more phrase strip stamps because I know you're in love with them as much as I am. Using the strip dies for all of those fun words. This one says baby. Perfect to go with our baby fold-its. Yes, the baby fold-its. This one says bundle of joy with that strip die. Now, of course, yes, also, just like the Jesus, we've added the baby word also if you need that. That's also on the website. So let's look at this. Baby. God bless your new baby. Baby twins. I did get the word twins in there. It's a baby boy, baby girl. It's baby twins, baby girl twins, baby shower, bundle of joy, introducing our new baby. Oh, baby, welcome, baby, to the world. Little one, welcome, little one. Congratulations, such a sweet baby, such a miracle baby, beautiful baby, little angel baby, handsome baby, your baby, hello, baby, a gift for you, baby, on board, or baby on board. Isn't that cute? I know. Now, yes, the baby words are included. Now, for these strip stamps, you are going to grab, and I didn't think to show these to you right this second, and so, of course, I'm not going to find them right this area. The reverse corner slimline dies have these strip dies in there as well. Perfect for cutting out these words. Reverse corner slimline have these awesome, awesome strip dies, okay? That's what you're going to want to use to cut those out. But wait, there's more. Chances are you already have this stamp set. It's the smile version of the baby, and it says, life is better with a smile. The best curve on a woman is a smile. It increases your face value. Smile, it makes others wonder what you've been up to. Smile, a smile is a curve that sets everything straight. Smile and the world smiles with you. Share a smile. I love your smile. You make my heart smile. Chances are you already have this stamp set. Well, guess what, my friends? We've added the word smile if you need it as a die. Sometimes we just do, right? Okay, boom. I didn't get to add it when this first came out, so now it's added to the website. Let's look at our samples. Here we have a cute little smile. Look at that. Life is better with a smile. Here's, oh my goodness gracious, look how gorgeous this one is. Linda made this one. Smile and the world smiles with you. Look how beautiful that is. That's one of our A1 cards from our kit club. Here's a gorgeous one, Smile, XOXO. That's on a scallop slimline. Love it. Oh baby, look at this with our Noah's Ark. Oh, I love that Noah's Ark to stamp. Beautiful. Also with our embossing folder, using our Mum's Flowers, our embossing folder. This one's by Yvette. Oh, look how cute this one is. Oh my goodness. Look, baby, little angel, such a handsome boy, miracle. And look how cute that is. I absolutely love that. That's just using circle dice. Isn't that fantastic? Open it up. Congratulations on your new arrival. Here's a cute one, baby. Congratulations on your baby. Isn't that cute? I love it. This is using the baby word die and the baby word strips and one of our babies. That's actually the onesie bottle die set. Okay, here we go. Here's a cute little bear folded. Introducing our new bundle of joy. Isn't that cute? Oh, look how gorgeous this one is. Look at the baby on the balloons. Isn't that gorgeous? A gift for your sweet baby. Beautiful. Of course, 3D inks involved on that one. Here's a cute one. Oh, using my favorite rainbow, the Rainbow Baby Bundle of Joy. So cute. Look at that. We have our big scallop A2 rectangles on there, sentiment strips, party 1 die set, rectangle dies, baby to stamp. Look how gorgeous that is. Love it. Oh, here's our cute little onesie. There it is. Sweet baby. Open that up. Welcome, little angel. I'm telling you guys, look at this. God bless your new baby. Congratulations. Here's a, oh, look at this one, a fun slimline. Welcome, baby boy and girl. Ah, twins. God bless your new twins. Oh, twins are special to me. You know that. Here's a cute one using those smile dies. Life is better with a smile. And here's another smile. Look how cute that is. Using our embossing folder, the lattice embossing folder, smile. Candy makes everything better, feel better soon. Let's look at our Steffi doll. Are you ready? This is me on a swing. It can be anyone on a swing. But look how cute that is. Enjoy the day. Open it up. Choose to be happy. Now, those of you that don't like to color, that's okay. You can use the dies and you don't have to color because we have those inside dies. Look at this one. This one's almost all dies. Look how gorgeous that is. Hi. You are all kinds of awesome. Look how gorgeous that is on that fun tree. Here's a cute one on one of our shadow boxes. Look at that. She swings, I'm told. Oh, look at this, you guys. There's a little Brad on here, and look at this. You can move her back and forth. Look at that. Whoops, hang on. Ready? Ooh, there's a little Brad in there, so you can move her around. Isn't that cute? I love that. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's insane. That is awesome, Michelle. Good job. Here's one. Enjoy the day. Swinging away. Look at her hair just flowing, flowing hair. Here's a cute one. Dotted oval dies are on this one also. Look how cute that is. Open that up. Reverse corner slimline die as well. Okay, look at that. So cute. Here's a cute, oh, missed this one. You make my heart smile. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I love it. I love it. That smile. Club members, yes, you know the whole deal. You get the club discount, and if it's on flash sale, you get the flash discount also. Also, you're getting club points with each purchase. Whew, if you're not in the club, I just don't know what to tell you. You gotta join. It's only $13.99 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set and all of the club benefits. If I went too fast on all these amazing samples from my design team, go to our website, thestampsoflight.com, click on the product you want to see, and then there's a little button that says View Idea Gallery. Click on that, and all of the ideas using that item will pop up. It's amazing. We have over 25,000 ideas on our gallery online, all free for everyone to look at. You can save them, you can favorite them, you can print them if you want to, but you can go look at those and it's all organized by product. So if you have this product, you can go to the website and look at those examples. I know, it's amazing. It's all about inspiration. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.